Hopefully that helps Mark a little bit, who's on the phone with us. Mark over in Center Point. Good evening, sir. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. How you doing?
We are well, and we are here to help. So if you will, go right ahead with your question.
Yes, my question was, okay, I've got hurt, and anyway, I'm just wondering, do you have to be cleared from a doctor and everything before you can have the mediation?
That's a great question. So again, your question is, you got injured. You're wondering if before you can go to a mediator, if you need to be cleared from the doctor before doing so. Is that correct?
Right.
Okay. Wonderful. Kendall, what would be your advice for Mark?
I would say no, you don't have to be cleared by a doctor to mediate a legal dispute if you have one. The most important thing, though, is to talk to the other side, the party that I guess caused your injury, and to make sure that they are willing to mediate, because you can't force a mediation. It has to be two parties that are willing to mediate together. Of course, people can file a motion for mediation if if there's a lawsuit pending, but if there is not a lawsuit pending, I would talk to the other party to make sure that they will agree to mediate, and then from there you'll want to select a mutually agreeable mediator.
And how so for Mark's case, for example, how does he go about finding a mediator? You just Google mediators in my area?
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay.
There's a lot of good mediators in town. And I would definitely do your research, because having a good mediator can certainly make a difference in getting your case settled when you agree you can.
Oh yeah, and there are certain mediators that maybe are better for certain cases, and if you've got a civil dispute, there are mediators that we think are really effective for that. If there's a family law issue or maybe a divorce issue, there's lawyers and mediators that specialize in that. So, you want to get somebody that really is tailored to kind of what your dispute is, because they know the specific law in that area, and they know kind of what's kind of supposed to happen in a case like that.
Gotcha. Okay, well, hopefully that was helpful for Mark just to know that. Mark, thank you so much for calling in. Wish you the best with the healing from your injuries as well as your mediation.